Hi guys, this is Sylvia from Sylvia's Marketing and I welcome you to my magic review. So, don't you feel the magic in the air already? I sure do. I can smell my beautiful flowers. So guys, well, magic is going live tomorrow. That's July the 17th of July. And it has been put together by Billy Darr. We know Billy Darr. He has released so many successful apps, software, a crazy bunch of different products that, have done very, very well. And yet he comes with another one. And this one is like, well, as you can see, guys, I am right inside this software app. Well, that's the thing to bear in mind. It's a software and app. So it's an app as well, which means you can use it from your phone, which is extremely handy. And in a nutshell, this app software is like an all-in-one platform, which will allow you to do a number of things. So, well, as I am looking at it, it is going to be extremely helpful for affiliate marketers, because like right from inside the software you can access the latest deals from Warrior Plus. So it's really, really cool to have it all put together inside just one software, and then you can, grab those deals, and then you can create pages for your campaigns and other things that I will be showing you and going properly through later on in my video. But guys, if that's something for you, you believe you would benefit from picking that product, then stick with me, as not only will I tell you much more about it, but I also have some amazing bonuses which are very relevant to this particular product, Magic. And they will complement Magic beautifully. I mean, I don't know if you need to complement Magic. Because magic is like, seems to me like perfection, but hey, there's like, why not? If you can grab some more hot bonuses, then just do that. And you can get them via my link below my video. And now let me take you guys to my bonus page. This is the one. So, as you can see, we have a description of what Magic is all about. So, Magic, the world's first mobile traffic app. Well, it will allow you to access traffic like social media platforms, various ones from inside the software, so you can get unlimited buyer traffic, and that's free traffic at that. So, that's what you can do. You have like a brief description. Then you have all of the, prices and upsells. As you can see, there are how many? 5 upsells, and the front end is going at $17 at the moment, while the launch is, going, and it is starting tomorrow, Saturday, the 17th of July. Alright, so on my bonus page, guys, you will first have like a demo, a good demo. It's going to show you, it's going to give you a walk through this product, show you how to use every single of the features you will find inside Magic. And then check out my bonuses. So, bonus number 1 will give you access to 7-minute system. This is a cool way to make money online, because it will enable you to utilize so-called CPA offers. So the so-called CPA networks that will literally pay you for getting bits of info for them, like email address, this and that. And it will accumulate. It will, like, you're not gonna get crazy amount of money for one bit of info, but the more you get, the more money you will be making. And it's a very interesting way to make, like, additional way to make money online. Then we have Use Jonah's Mobi course. So it has been put together by my mentor, Jonah Armstrong. So he will show you how to make money just using your mobile phone. Okay, so you have it well, I try not to have it, you know, glued to my hand. I'm very like aware of it, but you know, you pretty much have your phone with you all the time. So wherever you are, on holiday, on the beach, you know, just chilling out. If you have free time, if you fancy like, you know, doing something with your phone, why not make money, you know, with it, instead of just scrolling maybe up and down Facebook or Instagram, like, you know, socializing. You know, you better get out there and social with people properly, not on the phone, and use the phone for making money. Okay, just be smart about it. That's how I would go about it, like, you know, and stay real. Because I mean, like, to me, people are just socializing on the phones, which is pathetic, in my humble opinion. Just, you know, see people properly, you know, like physically. And if you're using phone and like some like technological devices, use it to make money. Well, that's my stance. Sorry, I'm a bit passionate about this. Now, bonus number 3 is boost your SEO. So SEO is search engine optimization. So all about ranking, guys. All about being found on, you know, online, on internet, and yeah, it's going to help you immensely with that, because how to, well, generate traffic as well, because no traffic, no money, simple as that. So you need the traffic and you need to know how to find it. And last but not least, access goodwill, another additional way to make money online, from my mentor Jonah Armstrong. And he has allowed me to share it with my buyers. If you guys buy it via my link, via the link to my bonus page that you're looking at right now, and this way you buy the product and you get my bonuses. And then we have the special one, which essentially gives you access to all vendor bonuses, because really that, on top of just the front end of Magic, gives you a bunch of different bonuses free of charge completely. Alright, again, to buy it, you go below my video, guys. Click on that link. Then once you're on the bonus page, smash one of these green buttons. That will redirect you to the sales page, guys, where you basically click again this green button and the product is yours. Now, from then, once you've bought the product, you will be sent an email with the receipt that will send you to a platform called Warrior Plus. So this one here, and just to make it plain clear, like crazy clear, my bonuses will be where the blue one is, the circled one. My bonuses that I have just shown you on my bonus page, and Magic, the software app, and vendors bonuses, you will find under this green button here. Right, well, let's check out the sales page very quickly. Sorry, I'm talking too fast. So, Magic, I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. Magic button auto fires any website to up to 5.2 billion cell phones in 60 seconds. Yeah, because it talks about this traffic feature. But guys, unless you have big following on those social media platforms, you're not accessing any traffic. Let's be real here. But my bonuses will help you immensely with generating traffic. But this app software is going to allow you to enable you to do a bunch of different things, and especially at an affiliate marketing, you will find that this is like a business in a box, and it's going to simplify your life big time. Alright guys, the rest of it is like a typical bonus page that's really there. Check it out in your own time. You also get like money back guarantee and all of that. So here we are inside of Magic. So this is the front end. So that's what you are getting when you buy that. Now, as you can see on the dashboard, this is the latest deals from Warrior Plus. So you can just grab the deals and the sales page, to those deals from right from inside the software app, okay, and then you can promote it. You can then apply for the link and all of that. So extremely handy. And then you have money pages. Okay, so you can create all sorts of pages like landing pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, checkout pages, sign up pages, giveaway pages, and reports. Wow. Okay, then we have this connect social. So you can basically hook up your Facebook page here, right here. There you go. So you can log in with your Facebook. Right, and then you can lead capture. So you can capture emails and start building an email list. And then you have a messenger campaign, subscriber messenger, SMS campaign, email campaign. I like this one because you can basically, as you can see, set up your emails here and control it all, like the email marketing you would be doing and sending emails to your clients right from inside the software. And then this one that is the traffic sources, where this is what they meant when they talk about like you being able to access millions of potential buyers. So because you can blast your campaigns to social channels, and some of them I have never heard of, to be brutally honest with you. But again, guys, unless you have huge following on those platforms, then you're not really accessing any traffic. And bear in mind, my bonuses will teach you this and that about traffic and about generating traffic. So you're picking up my bonuses by going via my link. So why not make use of my amazing bonuses? Then we have link cloaking. So it's about changing the URLs to like short ones. And there you have it. So the URL shortener and rebrandly. Okay, cool. And then it's about changing the URL. And then even the backlinks machine for creating backlinks, then offer comparison. So you can compare different campaigns, different offers, and just see which one is doing better. And then you have keyword research, so you can research the keywords, and messenger bot, which is very handy because that should automate the whole process. So especially when you start getting busy and busy and busy, then having that automated is extremely helpful, because you don't have to say hi, hello, how can I help you to every single potential prospect or like a potential buyer that is contacting you. So it's really handy to have it automated. Right, well, that's what it is in a nutshell, guys. And remember, if you pick it up via the link below my video, not only are you getting magic, but also my amazing bonuses, which will complement magic beautifully. And again, the prices, what are they? So $17 for the front end, and $39 for unlimited edition, $197 for done for you edition. This is quite a pricey one. Now $39 for automated edition, $39 for done for you templates club. Okay, so they give you like a 200 customizable video templates that you can use with magic. All right, and then upsell number 5 is magic click and go campaigns for $39. But again, you will find all of this information, guys, below my video. It will take you to my bonus page. Now if you want to buy it, again, just smash one of these green buttons throughout my bonus page, and that will take you to the sales page, which I have already shown you, where you click just instant access. That's how you buy it. Right, if that's something for you guys, feel free to, grab it via my link below my video, check it out, and enjoy it. I wish you a lot of success with it. Once you buy it, make use of it, put your mind into it, and smash it. and smell the flowers. Because the magic is in the air. Alright, ciao guys, see you in my next one.